dreaming of advanced AI on your Android without spending a dime? Let's unlock that possibility. First, we're going to explore official avenues. Many cutting-edge AI tools like Sora often offer promotional periods or limited free trials to new users. Head to your web browser on your Android device and search for Sora 2 official website or Sora 2 beta access. Look for any sections related to new user signups, early access programs, or free trial offers if you find one. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This usually involves providing an email address and creating an account. Pay close attention to any terms and conditions, especially regarding the duration of free access. Next, we'll investigate alternative access points. Sometimes, AI capabilities are integrated into other applications that might offer a more accessible entry point, or perhaps a freemium model. Open your device's App Store. A circumflex euros. That's the Google Play Store for most Android users. In the search bar, try typing terms like AI video generator, AI creative tools, or text-to-video AI alongside Sora. Browse through the results, looking for apps that mention similar functionalities to Sora 2. Read the app descriptions very carefully to identify any that explicitly state free features or offer a trial. Once you've identified a promising app or service, tap Install or Get. If it's a web-based service, you might be prompted to add it to your home screen for easier access after installation. Launch the app and look for any prompts that guide you through setting up a free account or starting a trial. The key is to be patient and thorough in your search. While direct, unlimited free access to fully developed commercial AI like Sora 2 can be rare. These methods, a circumflex euros, official trials, promotional offers, and integrated app features, a circumflex euros, are your best bet for experiencing its power on your Android device without cost. Keep exploring and experimenting.